Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here showing you what my bullet journal looks like halfway through the year. We are doing a full flip through of January through June 2024, including my annual pages, which you can see here. I have my future log, my 24 and 24, home projects, my medical reference page, my body stats, which I barely filled out, my bump page, which I haven't finished. Oops, and you saw the table of contents that shows you all of the future colorways, but that's fine. Anyways, so now we are into January. So I'm really excited to be able to share this because at the beginning of the year, like March and April, and most of May, I really wasn't able to show you all a lot of stuff that was going on. And I was undergoing fertility treatments right now, so I wasn't really comfortable sharing a lot of that information up until the point that we were past 12 weeks. So that is nice that I will actually be able to share all of that kind of stuff. One of the things I really, really love about this particular flip through is I truly have used so much washi tape and I have made so much of an effort to use so much washi tape. I do have to go back in and print off a bunch of pictures that I think it's like in April, May, and June. I have a bunch of pictures that I have to, and March actually, because I want to do all of the photos from when we found out we were pregnant and all that kind of stuff. So I didn't add those yet. I like to collect a lot of photos on one sheet of sticker paper because I don't really buy sticker paper all that often anymore. Okay, so this has been a whirlwind of a year, by the way. So we got married in February. That was actually unrelated to the fact that we got pregnant because we got pregnant after we got married. I know it was like really quick from our engagement. But we just, we wanted to tie the knot. We wanted to be together. We were, as I mentioned, going through fertility treatments. So we knew we wanted to have a kid, and then we didn't know if, like, when, obviously, we would be having our child. And so for us, it was like, okay, well, I don't want to plan some big wedding. We're going to do like a vow renewal later on, but I didn't want to plan a big wedding when I was like, okay, well, I could be popping that month, right? Like I could be popping out a kid in that month. So because we were so uncertain and we really, really wanted to have a kid together, we decided to just do like a really small wedding. And then March, we went to Florida. And that's actually where we found out that we were pregnant, which was extremely exciting. It has just been an absolute whirlwind of a year. My husband needed surgery in June, and all of June he was like recovering from surgery. And like that went by really fast because one of the reasons we did it so early is because we knew we knew about our pregnancy, and we knew that our kid was coming in November. So we were like, okay, so let's expedite things. So this bullet journal, suffice it to say, and then I got diagnosed with gestational diabetes. So suffice it to say, this bullet journal has been like the thing keeping me going a bit this first half of the year through all of the madness. But honestly, I have never used my bullet journal more than I have been using it now. I think I have found planner peace for the time being in my current life state. So I hope that this video was fun for you, gave you a lot of inspiration. I hope you liked all the changes between the colors every single month, and that it was beautiful to see. So that's all I've got for this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.